Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to modify an existing image on Midjourney. So in order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to modify an existing image on Midjourney, first, make sure to open up your Discord app and make sure to join into the Midjourney server as well. Now, go ahead and open up a chat and in the bottom left, tap on the plus button. Select the image you'd like to upload or modify and tap on it. Now tap the send button and once the image has been uploaded, open up the image and press hold to the image. Now tap share in the pop-up, tap on the copy button and once you copy the URL of the image, go back to the chat box, type in a /, write down imagine and paste in the URL that you just copied. Once you are done with it, give it a space and go ahead and type in the modification that you would want for the image. Type in whatever you want and finally after you are done with the modification, tap the send button on the right corner. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to modify an existing image on Midjourney. That's it for today. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.